Hello, I am Rachel Ellery, Director of the Anatomy School and osteopath of now 20 years, and I have been collaborating with my friend here.
Hi there, my name is Eeshi-Ra Hart and I'm a sound practitioner and a bodyworker since '91, sound working with since 2001.
So we roughly have about 40 years between the two of us and of experience. And I met Eeshi-Ra Hart about 4 or 5 years ago in Bali. She came to me for a treatment of her ankle after a bit of a motorbike incident, scooter incident. And from meeting Eeshi-Ra, she introduced me to sound healing. Now, within my time in Bali, which has been now 7 years, my treatment modality has widened. My understanding of how to look at the body has widened with different educations that I have learned, which have been a little bit more from an Eastern point of view, from an energetic point of view, an understanding about trauma and how trauma lands in our bodies. And as therapists, as osteopaths, we are looking at healing trauma, whether that has evolved through an accident, whether that has evolved through an emotional trauma, whether that has evolved through a, who knows, spiritual trauma, from a physical trauma, mental trauma. We're looking at all of these modalities here. Now, as osteopaths, we have the philosophy of Andrew Taylor Still, structure governs function. And function also governs our structure. Now, depending on the onset and the cause of the injury and being that detective of why and how, I would suggest that there is going to be some energetic component to that patient that's presenting with these symptoms. Now, after having a session with Eeshi-Ra, I really realized how these tuning forks, which I've incorporated within my practice for diagnosing fractures and the whole utilizing for diagnosing any audible hearing problems, utilize these tuning forks, get into depths that I find my hands couldn't quite do to that extent, in that we are looking at sound traveling through bone, and that travels pretty fast, isn't it, Eeshi-Ra?
Yep, it's the fastest way of giving sound to the body. So when we want to create even better healing outcomes with this course that we're offering, Cellular Sonics, that we can use sound in that way, and it reaches in at that structural level, and it's also benefiting at the cellular level too.
Yeah, so we've combined our information for our experience of 40 years combined to create this course. As Eeshi-Ra mentioned, it's called Cellular Sonics. We are wanting to reach the cellular level to then have an effect in the structural level of our bodies, therefore influencing the function. So we've created this course. It's full of reading, it's full of research, we've got videos. We're looking at why sound, how to use sound, how to incorporate it. And we've gone through a variety, or we've chosen a variety of different concerns, from whiplash to sprains and strains, inflammation, pain, treating mums, treating babies, treating and influencing wound healing. And these tuning forks have brought in this fantastic different modality of healing into my work that I feel has just given me another tool to be able to use when I feel is required. And now that is on every treatment, to be honest with you. I use it to almost prepare my patient. I utilize it to complete and integrate a treatment at the end. And it's just been beneficial in so many different levels, from insomnia to bone fractures, to rehabilitation, to pre-surgery, post-surgery. I can go on and on and on. So please join us on board. Get some new CPD points on your card. We are here to offer a course for you and tuning forks that we have chosen specific tuning forks according to this modality, this osteopathic training. So so jump on board with us. It's really exciting.
Yes, and the forks you can find, increasingly you'll find, if you start researching, you can go on a lot of the different websites for the PubMed and different places where they've got scientific papers. You can find scientifically shown and medically researched frequencies, which is what we're choosing, precise frequency to get in at that structural and cellular levels so that you can create even better healing outcomes. So do check out Cellular Sonics. We have 34 training videos, 22 different treatment protocols, and we have a big manual, and we have lots of practitioner freebies. And this month, we have a very special offer for you. So if you're watching, do check out the website and sign up with us. So I'm sure you'll feel inspired. Check out the website. We've got lots of videos there catching up with the Facebook Lives we've been doing. And do reach out to us with questions. We are here to support you. And thanks so much for your time.
Thanks ever so much, and look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. See you later.
Thanks for tuning in. Bye.